What are you doing here? You're a straggler. Oh, are we eating now? It's time to eat. Time to eat and drink. Hi, Olive. Olive has one of those little bio balls from the pond. I filled the pond and I took, well, it's right there. I'm gonna use that for a carnivorous plant bog. So we took it out. We were worried about chicks falling in the pond and drowning, and then once it was just a pit, we were worried about them getting stuck. We did have a hen. It was Flask the Silky. Actually jumped in there on purpose while there was still water. I had to rescue her twice. Good girl. Olive is guarding. Okay, whatever it was, wasn't dangerous. So yeah, she's got that little bio ball. I used to take them from her, but what the heck? It's not hurting anything. And I am thrilled that the training has gone so well with the chickens. She doesn't attack them and chase them as much, but I will never trust her by herself out here. Now the next level would be really awesome. Oh, the chicks are done having dinner. The next level of this would be if she actually defends them, like if a hawk came or something else, or heaven forbid a raccoon, something terrible like that. So today I've been working on the lotuses. That's why all those buckets are there. It's not a game of, knock the bucket over. Oh, hen fight. So, I have to repot. There was too much soil. It was getting really heavy. The lotuses, I lost one. I lost the new lancelet red. And I looked, I don't think I can get it back. They have what's called new lancelet red 2. Of course, that's not going to be the same. And that was a great plant, but it sucks. I hate losing plants. They're usually irreplaceable when you do lose them. So anyways, yeah, buckets are being cleaned. I got the best tubers I'm gonna keep, and hopefully this summer we'll have a gorgeous lotus flower display. Next thing is hopefully I can afford to buy some of the fertilizer tablets. Or make my own, as a good INTJ does. What is she looking at? Oh, she's also playing with the dead lotus pieces. That's what all that dirt is. And she finds the branches, and there's also mistletoe that's fallen out of the tree, and she'll pick it up and run around with it. That's fine, actually. Better that than her chasing my birds. Yeah, the chickens remember where the water used to be. No more water. But that's why that bowl is there. What did she find? And that's Tashtego. Good news. She has been broody for like 2 months. It's been terrible. And today I let her out of her. I had her in broody jail. And today is the first day that she's acting like a chicken. I think she's back to normal. So I can't wait for her to start laying eggs. We haven't had blue eggs in a long time, and we haven't had green eggs because Ahab is the green egg layer, and she's a mom right now. And our knucklehead dog is hunting lizards. Do, 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 do. Hi, chickie girl. Hi, chickie girl. Chick pile over there. Chick pile. Oh, is she gonna sit on him?